Welcome to Casa Villanueva here in Lake Floresta Park of Boca Raton, where casual luxury meets tranquility. Today, I am thrilled to introduce this exquisite new listing that embodies the very essence of relaxed, luxurious living. Nestled along picturesque Lake Floresta, this stunning estate home at 1069 West Palmetto Park Road is truly delightful. This remarkable property features 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car drive-through garage. The home offers spacious and stylish living throughout. The moment you step inside, you're greeted by an open concept living area that features gorgeous lake and pool views from several rooms. With custom finishes and abundance of natural light, this home is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. The gourmet kitchen boasts a state-of-the-art Wolf 6-burner gas stove, a built-in Miele cappuccino maker, additional high-end appliances, wine cooler, elegant solid wood cabinetry, and a beautiful island with rich natural cut stone that's perfect for the gathering of family and friends. Step outside to your own private oasis. This meticulously landscaped backyard features a stunning pool, spa, and large open patio, an outdoor grill and bar area, and an additional spacious covered patio with outdoor TV and ample seating areas, all with breathtaking views of the lake. Imagine sipping your morning coffee here as the sun rises, or hosting unforgettable curated gatherings under the stars. This estate doesn't just offer luxury, it provides a lifestyle. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with 2 spa-like ensuite baths for both of you, custom dual walk-in closets, and serene views through the large windows that take your breath away. Located in one of Boca Raton's most adored neighborhoods and next to historical Old Floresta, you'll enjoy easy access to world-class dining, shopping, and beautiful beaches. This casual estate is positioned perfectly on an oversized corner lot with private gated entrances and beautiful landscaping with accent lighting throughout the property. This is more than just a home, it's a gateway to the vibrant lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Don't miss this opportunity to make this stunning lakeside luxury estate your own. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact us today. Your dream home awaits at 1069 West Palmetto Park Road. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to welcoming you to Boca Raton.